How to fix Instagram Reels videos not playing in less than 1 minute. So, hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, or what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. After that, do the same thing with the Wi-Fi, just click on it, disable it and enable it again. Now go back to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager like this, go to Instagram. This is the app information page. Click on this notifications management. Make sure that all notifications are enabled, especially the videos or the reels notifications. Now go back, click on the data usage and make sure that the mobile data and the Wi-Fi is enabled. Now click on force stop and then click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful.